In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign access to tickets based on team membership in HubSpot. We'll walk through how to set up automatic conversation assignment so that tickets in your inbox go to the right people or teams without you needing to manually route every request. This is especially useful if you have multiple teams handling different types of customer issues, or if you simply want a more organized and reliable way to distribute work. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look up at the top toolbar and find the small gear icon, which opens your settings. Go ahead and click that. Settings is where HubSpot keeps all of the configuration options for your tools, including your shared inboxes and help desk. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the section labeled Tools. Under that, find and click Inbox and Help Desk to expand its options, then choose Inboxes. This is where all of your connected channels are listed, such as email or chat inboxes. In the inbox list, locate the connected channel you want to configure. Hover your mouse over that channel. You should see an edit button appear. Click Edit to open the settings specifically for that inbox. Inside the inbox settings, switch to the tab labeled Automation. This is where you control how conversations are automatically assigned. Turn on the option that says Automatically Assign Conversations. Once this is enabled, more options will become available. In the Assign To field, you can choose how HubSpot decides who gets each conversation. You'll see options such as Customer Agent, Specific Users and Teams, or Contact Owner. If you choose Specific Users and Teams, you'll be able to add individual users, entire teams, or a combination of both in the next field. This is the key setting if you want to route tickets based on team membership. If you prefer to use the Contact Owner option, HubSpot will assign conversations to whoever owns that contact in your CRM. You can then decide what happens when there is no contact owner. You can choose to assign those unowned contacts to specific users or teams by adding them in the provided field, or you can choose No Owner, which leaves those conversations unassigned for manual handling. You can also enable the option to assign conversations based on availability status. This means HubSpot will only assign tickets to users who are set as available, helping to avoid assigning work to people who are offline or out of office. Once you've configured everything the way you want, scroll down and click Save at the bottom to apply your changes. And that's it. You've now set up automatic ticket assignment based on team membership and availability in HubSpot.